Unto man he said, behold, the fear of the Lord, that is wisdom, and to depart from evil is understanding. Job 28 verse 28. Amen. Hey my loves, welcome back to my channel. It's Mistina here. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. If it's your first time on this channel, let me quickly introduce myself. I am Mistina, and on this channel we do lifestyle, beauty and hair content. So if you're one of the girlies that like these type of things, make sure to join the family and subscribe immediately. And I feel like you guys are going to see my face a lot more often because I'm a bit more consistent now. And yeah, but for today's video, we are getting into this here. Guys, brown is really giving chocolate on me right now. And I'm literally loving it so much. So today's video is by ALIPEARLHAIR. So this hair is, I believe, a 24-inch wig. I will confirm somewhere here or in the description down below. Everything will be linked down below, but this hair is like really nice brown and it has a really nice weight to it. Like the weight to it is really nice. It's not too light. Quickly, what came in the bag, I received a wig cap, silk headscarf. Yeah, that's what it's called. Also get like those elastic bands where you can like use to sleep with, and they give you some cute lashes as well. They're a bit long for me, but you know, I can give it to someone who likes long lashes. On my baby hairs myself, and guys, y'all can't tell me your girl has improved. For the girls that have been here before, go watch the previous videos. You know my baby hair skills weren't all that, but I've been learning, I've been taking notes from the girlies. So yeah, if you guys want to know how I, you know, installed this wig and how I melted it so nice, yeah, and how I, you know, done the baby hairs, make sure to watch this video up until the end. And you know, if you like, smash the like button and subscribe as well before you leave. And yeah, let's get straight into this video. I don't want to ramble anymore. Okay girlies, I go with my brown wig cap only because, guys, this one fits my skin shade a lot better and it makes me skip the whole routine where I've got to go with my foundation shade and make it match my skin shade. And guys, don't get onto me, I can't claim my own hair. I find it still very childish that a big grown woman like me cannot do her own hair. How embarrassing, shame on me. But yeah, I'm going with this glue to apply on like a thin layer on my forehead. This glue is very blue when you apply it, but obviously I've applied the heat now with the hair dryer and it looks a lot better. I was worried for a second, but now that I've taken the wig off and everything, obviously now I'm future Mistina hair, it kind of made my skin react. Obviously it didn't get darker, but I kind of got like a little bit of spots around the forehead, only on one side though, but I think my skin just didn't like the reaction. So I would say if you've got like sensitive skin, you know, heads up, to be fair. I think girlies, that's all I had to really say. I feel like everything else in this video is straightforward. You can see exactly what I use, and if anything I will tag it and mention it in the description box down below. But thank you so much. I've been seeing you lots of support. I really love how everyone's just like subscribing and really just binge watching my videos. I see you guys, I see one video going up and I see every other video's views going up too. So I do see you guys and I appreciate you guys so much. And I'm gonna try my best to be really consistent. And yeah, so thank you so much for clicking this video and enjoy the rest of the video. Mwah, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye girlies. Now this hair did come kind of pre-plucked, but I did not end up plucking it anymore. Neither did I bleach the knots on this wig. I would advise to kind of pluck it a little bit more because I did find later on that it was kind of dense on the hairline area, especially when you're taking bits for the baby hairs. But it was not a horrible look, but I would say if I could do something different, I would have plucked it a little bit more for sure. Now I'm just measuring around my ears to see where I want to cut it around. I make sure to use a rat tail comb to kind of, you know, get pieces around. Don't just go straight in with your scissors because you'll end up just making a hot mess. Now I do this extra step because I grow a lot of sideburns, so I shave that, or like, yeah, shave that bit away, just so when I glue my wig down, it actually sticks down and it doesn't grip to my hair, and it's a lot easier than taking off as well.
I've been dealing with my dad, speaking of lack of patience. Just me and my old man getting back to basics.
Now with this step, you want to take your time, don't rush it, because you can easily mess it all up, so definitely take your time. Then to tint the lace, I go in with a really dark powder. It's always a lot safer to go in with something darker than lighter. And go with a powder for sure, and don't go with foundation because it will build up and you'll regret it. And I would always say apply the powder on top of it, which I found that looked a lot better, even though here I'm applying below it, but the bit that I did in the middle came out a lot nicer than the side. So definitely apply it on top instead of below. Okay, for this step I applied 2 layers of glue. Well, the only reason I did this because it was really hot here in the UK and I just wanted something a bit more secure, but definitely for like winter time, and if I know I'm not gonna have a wig on for more than a week and a half, I will just do 1 layer. 2 layers is definitely a lot, but that's because it's really hot here. Hey yo, now looking back, that glue was really blue. I don't know what's going on, that thing's bugging, but as you can see, it dries up very clear, so nothing to worry about. Sure to press it down properly, and here you can see me being gassed because it was already lacing. The lace was really lacing. But yeah, now go on to the sides, and you guys know the drill, it's just the same thing really. But yeah, as you can see, I messed up, so yeah, no worries. Okay, at this step now, take your time. I'd advise you to use a smaller scissor. I'm sure I have one, but I couldn't find it, so I kind of just winged it. Here you can see that the glue really just messed the hairline up, so I kind of went in to kind of separate the hairs, and I'm just repeating the same thing on the other side. And you'll see me going back with the spray just to glue down the bits that kind of lifting, or the bits that are visible. You want to do this because the front bits are always kind of lifting, so go in again and do it again, because when you're doing the baby hairs, you will see that it's a lot better if every bit is really stuck down. Now I'm going with my hot comb. Thank God I didn't burn my ear off with this thing. I'm so scared. I don't look it, but I was scared because me and hot combs, we don't work well together. I've definitely burnt my skin off many times. But like I said, again, just take your time with this. You really want to go for like a baby hair look that suits you. So pick out bits that look good on you. Of course, you can get more baby hairs out, whatever looks good on you. This mousse, I don't know. I think I might get another mousse because this one has a bit too much grease in it. But nevertheless, it was okay. I still look good. Purr. But yeah, now going with the headband, just to stick everything down, make sure everything melts in. And yeah, now we're gonna go into styling this wig because it's straight, but you know, if it's bust down, well, be hella straight. So we're gonna go back in and we're gonna straighten this wig out. But before that, clearly we're cutting out the baby hairs because I couldn't see anything. Oh yeah, we are using this wax stick to kind of go piece by piece in the frontal to stick everything down and, you know, hot comb everything down, because again, with a bust down wig like this, we want everything flat. Me and my wig share, we are getting everything flat. We're getting every bits and bobs, we get that flat. There's no way. We do not do bumpy wigs on this side. I'm so sorry. If you're on this channel, we don't do bumpy wigs. If you're part of this family, bumpy wigs, we've left that in 2021. thank you, respectfully. But again, I would say if you own this wax stick, don't go in too much, because I feel like with this wax stick it just got too much grease, as you can see. But yeah, I feel like just be minimum. I know we want to do the bust down, I know we want to do the flat wig, but girl, I had to relax. But yeah, it's alright, we still look cool, we still look cute or whatever.
Testify, come up in the spot looking extra fly. For the day I die, I'ma touch the sky. Gotta testify, come up in the spot looking extra fly. For the day I die, I'ma touch the sky. Back when they thought pink polos would hurt the ride, before Cam got the shit to pop, the doors closed. I felt like bad boy street.
Okay, so my storage on my phone was really bad, so it cut out the bits that I did my baby hairs, which was the latest part. But just for reference, I used the same mousse I showed you guys earlier, but I used got to be glued for the start of the edges, just so it's nice and secure and doesn't lift. But yeah, make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you're liking it so far, and let me know how I did.
I am a hip-hop legend. I think I died in an accident, cause this must be heaven. I gotta testify, come up in the spot looking extra fly.
So your girl tried being adventurous or whatever, and I tried doing these 90s layers, or like, if you get what I mean. Will I say I did the best I could? No. But at the same time, am I a hairdresser? No. So realistically, I did what I could. I look feel like I messed up a little bit, but nobody's gonna know. So just let this stay between the two of us. Thank you.
Come up in the spot looking extra fly. For the day I die, I'ma touch the sky. Gotta testify, come up in the spot looking extra.
Also, quick advice, if you're gonna do the layers regardless, make sure to not have the headscarf on your head, because it doesn't allow your hair to be on even level. So that's something I didn't really think about. So later on you see me take the headband off and then go in to cut out a bit more, because it just didn't make sense, it didn't level out. So yeah,
Miss, I ain't talk to them, plus I ain't had no phone in my apartment. Let's take them back to the club. At least about an hour I stand online. I just wanted to dance. I went to take up an hour after I got my advance. I just wanted to shine. Jay favorite line, dog, in due time. Now they look at me like, damn, dog, you what I am. A hip-hop legend. I think I died in an accident, cause this must be heaven. I gotta testify. Come up in the spot looking extra fly. For the day I die, I'ma touch the sky. Gotta testify, come up in the spot looking extra fly. For the day I die, I'ma touch the sky. Now let's take them high. Don't play with it, don't be dishonest. Still not understand.
hey girlies, this is the end of the video. I hope you liked this, and make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. And if you want to connect with me even more, make sure to leave a comment down below, and connect with me on Instagram, MISTINAX, and on TikTok too, because I do be really active on there. But yeah, I really enjoyed this video, so yeah, can't wait to see you guys in my next video. Love you guys, bye.
It's easy to see that